There's a waterfall under the ocean, bigger than anything on land. It's not water falling through air, it's dense water sinking through lighter water. Different temperature and salt levels make one layer heavier, so it drops.
One of the biggest is near Iceland and Greenland, called the Denmark Strait cataract. It's so huge it makes the tallest land waterfalls look small.
These flows help drive ocean circulation, moving heat around the planet.
Want part 2? The lake that can turn animals into stone? Comment. Part 2.